Hey guys, RushKit J back with another video for you. Today we're going to take a look at the Gigabyte 780 Ti GHz edition. Now we've seen some pretty fast Tis out there at the moment, but this looks to be the current leader. It's going to be an absolute monster. So for the full review, please click on the link on the screen. That'll take you to the Overclock 3D site where we've got all your graphs and comparisons for you to check out against all the other cards that have been released. But we'll take a look at the 780 Ti GHz edition now. Now, you may think at first glance it looks just like the WindForce edition. Well, it's using the WindForce cooler, but as soon as we turn it over, we'll see why it's different. But so yeah, we've got our tried and tested 3-fan WindForce cooler that we've seen on a lot of other cards. They keep using it, and it's it's a tried and tested design, and it's very, very cool and quiet. So they're running it again with the Gigahertz edition. So the actual card in length is 290mm long, and we've got 3 fans which are 75mm on this card. It's also using the tri-cool design where the fans are slightly inclined and it's blowing air down onto the cooler, like down and out around the heatsink to cool. So we've got 2 8mm heat pipes on there, and then 4 6mm heat pipes to cool this card. Let's take you around and give you a look. So at the bottom we've got our PCI 16 slot down there. The obviously matte black colour on this, which is beautiful. Matte black, I love matte black, as you probably know. So underneath we can see a few parts of the heatsink there, and obviously we've got some of the cool design that the WindForce uses on the end. You hopefully be able to see there's some of the copper heat pipes there. I'm going to save the back for last because it's the best bit. So WindForce on the top, and then on the very top we've got a Gigahertz edition has been written there, which you'll see on the side. We've got our SLI connection on the top left. It runs with 2 PCI 8-pin powers, so make sure you've got ample connections on your power supply. Don't use the adapters if you need to. If you want to run this card and you don't have the right connections, I really would recommend you upgrade. So on the very top, let's get you sorted out. We have a full-size DisplayPort, full-size HDMI, 2 DVI connections, and then a outtake for cooling as well. So it is a dual card slot. And we'll go to the back, and this is where it gets interesting. So let's get you correctly engaged. There we go. So this backplate, it has a nice heavy backplate on it. It's a very solid card. So you've got Gigahertz edition written there with Gigabyte. Some slight cutouts there, you can see where it's all screwed in with the cooler. But this backplate absolutely makes this card, it makes it look so nice. And you can see, look, just looking around it, it looks really, really nice. Hopefully you'll get a nice representation of it. It weighs an absolute ton. It's just in over a kilo, this card, so it's very heavy, but you've got such a meaty card on this. So let's give you a bit of information. We know that currently the base clock of this card is at 1085 megahertz, and it's got a boost clock of a whopping 1150 megahertz, which is 24% faster than a reference card, which comes in at 928 on the boost as a reference. So it's extremely fast. It's got 3 gigabytes of RAM and 7000 megahertz of memory effective, but this is currently set to be the fastest on the market. It's going to be very interesting to see the benchmarks and things when we get some results. But yeah, for the full review, please click on the link and it'll take you to the site and you can check it all out there. But it's an absolute beast. But thanks for checking out this quick video on the Gigabyte 780 Ti Gigahertz edition. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video very soon.